how to make a welcome message on Discord. So first, open up Discord. Next is just go to your server and then just click on the server here at the top, your server name, and then look for app directory, click on it, and then search for Dino. Okay, click on this one. Next is just click on add app, and then click on visit site. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to add this to the server. For example, the server that I'm in earlier, and then click on continue, and then make sure that all of these are checked, and then click on authorize. Okay, let's just verify. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to select your prefix and then choose your time zone here as well. So let's say I'm going to choose Asia, and then click on next, and then choose your updates channel. Let's just choose general here, and then click on next again. Then if you want to get premium, you can do that, but I'm just going to not do that. Click on done. Okay, now next is look for modules. Type in welcome, and then you just need to turn this on. Now click on settings. Okay, now click on message here, and then you can just type in any message here, like welcome to the server, and then you can just select any of the variables here. So let's say I'm going to welcome the person here, the user that joins the server, and then you can just click on update. Oh wait, you can just select your channel here first and then click on update, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.